What is that on the path ahead? A little yellow bus looking stuck and sad. The toy drivers cry, oh no, what do we do? Don't worry, little friends, we are here for you. Simu steps up with a look so bright. Sabu grabs his wrench, holding on so tight. Nanu pops the hood with a magical spark. Blue light shining, chasing away the dark. Hands all together, working as a team, fixing the engine like a happy dream. Simu puts a wheel on, spinning it around. Nanu tightens bolts, making magic sound. The engine starts humming, hear it vroom vroom, chasing all the sadness, clearing out the gloom. The toy drivers dance, clapping with a cheer. The bus is fixed up, the path is clear.